Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 19, chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 3.6. Question number 1, 8. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and second equation is this: 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Okay, now try to understand solution. Let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n, and therefore m plus n, here you substitute, m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4, and m upon 2 minus n upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Okay, multiply by 4. Here for this equation you multiply by 4. So 4m plus 4n is equal to 3, equation number 1. And here you multiply by 8. So if you multiply by 8, then 8 upon what 2, that is equal to 4. So 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. Observe this equation and decide. So adding equation number 1 and 2, 4m plus 4n is equal to 3 plus 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. So if you add this, these two will get cancelled, and 8m, 4m plus 4m, 8m is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So 8m is equal to 2, and therefore m is equal to 2 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. Substituting m is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 1. So this equation, 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4n is equal to 3, and therefore 4n is equal to this, and this is equal to 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and therefore n is equal to 1 upon 2. Resubstituting for m and n, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2, and therefore 3x plus y is equal to 4, equation number 3, and 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation number 4. Now to find x, solve this equation. Adding equation number 3 and 4, 3x plus y is equal to 4 plus 3x minus y is equal to 2. This y and this y get cancelled. 6x is equal to 6, and therefore x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 3, 3 into bracket 1 plus y is equal to 4, and therefore y is equal to 1. 4 minus what? 3. Okay, so this is what your solution. Question number 2. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Now this is an important example. Try to understand. Okay. Solution. Let speed of rowing be x kilometer per hour and speed of current be y kilometer per hour. Then downstream speed is equal to x plus y kilometer per hour and upstream speed is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. Now you know this is a formula. Time is equal to distance upon speed, and therefore by given information time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is given 20 kilometer upon speed x plus y is equal to 2 and 4 upon x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, now this you simplify and form the equations. Okay, and therefore 10 upon 2x plus y is equal to 1 and 2 upon x minus is equal to 1, and therefore x plus y is equal to 10. So this I transfer on this side and this I transfer on this side. So x minus y is equal to 2. Solve this equation. Adding equation number 1 and 2, x plus y is equal to 10, x minus y is equal to 2. Add these two get cancelled. 2x is equal to 12 and therefore x is equal to 6. Substituting x is equal to 6 in equation 1, 6 plus y is equal to 10 and therefore y is equal to 4, and hence speed of rowing in still water is equal to 6 km per hour and speed of current is equal to 4 km per hour. Okay, now go through this example again so that you understand. Okay, then I will take last example of this chapter, example number 2. Now again remember this is important question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also by one man alone. Okay, now this is what very important example. So try to understand this. Solution. Let a woman takes X days and a man takes Y days. Okay. In X days, one woman can finish one complete work, and therefore in 4 days, one woman can finish 4 upon X work, and therefore in 4 days, 2 women can finish double of this, so 8 upon X work. Okay. So these statements are what very important. They are directly proportional to each other. Similarly, in 4 days, 5 men can finish 20 upon Y work. Observe this and write down this. So therefore, by given condition, 8x plus 20y is equal to complete work. So that is 1. And similarly, by second condition, you form this equation 9 upon x plus 18 upon y is equal to 1. Complete work. And now then this you simplify. So substituting 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to m n. So 8m plus 20n is equal to 1 and 9m plus 18n is equal to 1. Equation number 4. Multiply equation number 3 by 9 and equation 4 by 8. 72m plus 180n is equal to 9 minus 72m plus 144n is equal to 8. Subtract this. 72m plus and 72m minus get cancelled. 180n minus 144n is equal to 36n is equal to 1. So therefore n is equal to 1 upon 36. Subtracting, okay, n is equal to 1 upon 36. Substituting n is equal to 1 upon 36 in equation number 4. So 9m plus 18 into 1 upon 36 is equal to 1 and therefore 9m is equal to, now this is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 I transfer on this side. So 9m is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 and therefore m is equal to 1 upon this 9 I transfer here, 2 into 9 that is 18. So m is equal to 1 upon 18 and n is equal to 1 upon 36. So resubstituting for m and n, 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 18 and therefore x is equal to 18 and 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 36 and therefore y is equal to 36 and hence the time taken by one woman is equal to 18 days and time taken by one man is equal to 36 days. Okay, so this example is very important. Okay, I reduced the words some steps. Try to understand this example. Go through this video again. So today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any questions regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.